Kevin Dalton thought he was hiring plumbers to fix a simple water heater leak instead. He walked straight into the crosshairs of a criminal operation that nearly blew his house apart. Kevin Dalton never imagined that hiring plumbers would lead to a criminal investigation. He had just moved into his newly purchased home in Cedar Heights, a quiet suburban neighborhood known for its tidy lawns and friendly neighbors. The leak from the water heater started small, just a puddle beneath the tank, but within days, it soaked through the garage wall and into his laundry room. Frustrated, Kevin searched online and found a company called Hydrofix Solutions, boasting fast service and 5-star reviews. 2 men arrived the next morning in an unmarked white van. They wore matching blue overalls and introduced themselves as licensed professionals. Within minutes, they were in the basement, tools clanking, claiming the heater was beyond repair. They told Kevin a full replacement was necessary, $4,800 up front. With water damage already creeping into the drywall, Kevin agreed. The job was completed in a few hours. At least that's what they said. The men left with the payment and a receipt, but hours later, Kevin noticed the new heater wasn't connected properly. A slow hiss came from behind the unit. By nightfall, the air smelled faintly of gas. Kevin called the gas company and evacuated. What inspectors found stunned everyone. The heater had been deliberately tampered with. Gas lines were improperly sealed. A spark from the furnace could have caused an explosion. Worse, the serial number on the heater was registered as stolen from a warehouse burglary 2 months earlier. Hydrofix Solutions didn't exist. The number Kevin had called was disconnected. Security footage from nearby homes showed the van's license plate had been covered with tape. Police launched an investigation and discovered that the same crew had hit at least 4 other homes, posing as repairmen, installing faulty or stolen equipment, then vanishing. Kevin was lucky. Others had suffered fires or carbon monoxide poisoning. The suspects remained unidentified, their trail cold in, till 6 months later, when a tip led detectives to a storage unit containing a trove of stolen appliances and a laptop with records of every job. Kevin's address was on the list. The hunt for the imposters continues, but the question remains, how many homes were left with deadly time bombs disguised as repairs?